waiting a long time for this moment.
Ooh, the lights are all the way on.
Whoa. Maybe Dad already put the batteries in for you.
Wait a minute, we came with batteries. Oh my.
Alright, let's hold it up and let's show how it works.
Guess what? This thing makes sound. This thing locks it. The down one locks it. The up one unlocks it. Down one locks it.
Alright, let's put it on and show it from the front and the back, okay? Now hold it up like a gauntlet. Now close the fingers and snap. Turn it around and see you snap it.
I can't snap it.
You just gotta do the thumb and the pointer, these two at the same time, like this. Right, and snap.
Okay, but I can't reach both of them.
No, no. Snap.
Boom.
Boom. Yeah. All right. What do you want to say? Make sure.
Bye guys. Make sure to leave a like and leave the thumbs up. Peace out.